Banana Club case study. From stockroom to showroom, remarkable growth with omnichannel solution. Powered by Logic ERP. Banana Club, a dream of two entrepreneurs, Mr. Neil Bafna and Mr. Prashant Lalwani, is a premium clothing brand based in Bangalore, India. Established in 2011, Banana Club, made in Bharat, for Bharat brand has expanded to 10+ stores, offering a luxurious apparel range with a focus on men's apparel, footwear and accessories. From managing stock to meeting demand, they faced it all while expanding their retail stores in India. Common challenges faced by Banana Club before Logic ERP implementation. Inventory mismanagement. Sales and POS integration. Non-centralized process. Non-centralized CRM. No e-commerce offers. No omni-channel integration. Finance mismanagement. GST compliance. No BOM and costing control. Wastage mismanagement. Lack of real-time business insights. Lack of production and manufacturing control. Logic ERP stepped in as Banana Club's ERP tech partner to streamline their retail, distribution and manufacturing operations. Banana Club and Logic ERP. Transforming apparel retail, distribution and manufacturing in India. Logic ERP. #1 ERP company in India brings up a centralized solution to offer them the best ERP software for their apparel retail, distribution and manufacturing business. Solution offered to Banana Club by Logic ERP company. Centralized sales. Logic ERP POS system. Automated invoicing. Inventory management. Campaign management. Bill of materials, BOM. Real-time reports. Omnichannel integration. E-commerce integration. Material requirement planning. Automated accounting and GST compliance. Paperless ERP with document management solution. Key benefits. Enhancing retail, distribution and manufacturing operations and business growth at Banana Club. Unified omnichannel experience. Centralized inventory and warehouse management. Optimized production and material planning. Enhanced sales and POS features. Seamless e-commerce and unicommerce integration. Scalable and future-ready solution. Security and access control. Automated workflow approvals. Automated WhatsApp billing. Mobile-based discount approval. Banana Club's incredible business growth with Logic ERP implementation. Banana Club's 10+ retail billing points in India. Powered by Logic ERP at Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Why choose Logic ERP software for your apparel and footwear retail, distribution and manufacturing business? 30+ years of ERP excellence. 200+ experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. Facing inventory mismatches, delayed shipments, and production inefficiencies in your apparel or footwear brand. It's time to streamline your operations with Logic ERP. Book your live ERP demo. Call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com. Get Logic ERP software today.